Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the brand Light Ever, and it's sold by Neon Market. This is a 68 LED UV flashlight. You can look at all the LEDs that are all lined up there in a circular fashion, and it allows a very nice disbursement of the ultraviolet energy that's being used. So this could be used for pet urine stain detection. You could use it at hotels. It's a 295 nanometer ultraviolet wavelength. I'm showing a chart of that right now. So you could also use it to detect fake money and fake jewelry. And it'll also reveal body fluids from pets and people. It uses 3 AA batteries, which are not included. I'm going to show you how to install those. And it's also could be used for law enforcement, postal inspections, customs, medical use, and HVAC repair. It comes with the little instruction manual and the unit itself, and has a little holding loop on the back of this already installed. And you unscrew the back, and it has a very large oversized contact on there. Then it has a very nice quality holder that will hold the batteries, and it's very simple. You just put the negative on the spring, the negative, and the positive on the other tab, and it alternates. This is really solid, very nice quality. And then you put it back in with the positive tab facing forward. Then you just rotate this, and there's gaskets. There's a rubber gasket right there, which is nice, so it makes it more waterproof or water resistant. So the power switch is really simple. It's an on-off switch right there, and you can see it glowing on my hand. I'm going to show some footage of this in my closet and in my basement right here with some fluorescent paint, so you get an idea of how bright this is. So I'm videotaping in my closet, and you can see the camera's not picking up anything. If I turn this on, you can see all the things glowing that have some bleach in the fibers. This is a very, very bright ultraviolet light, as you can see. Just look at that thing, how it's glowing. And I turn it off, turn it back on. So here I have a block of wood that's painted with fluorescent orange paint. Now if I turn the flashlight on, just look at how that glows. I'm about 3 feet away. See, my whole hand is going, it looks really bizarre. But it just works really well with fluorescent paints. If you want to do some psychedelic work in your bedroom or your house, anywhere, this is great for that, because this is really powerful. So what do I think about the Lighting Ever, sold by Neon Mart, 68 LED UV flashlight? I've tested probably 9 different ultraviolet flashlights in the last year, and this is by far the brightest one that I've seen for battery powered. So I really like this product. It's an excellent value. The cost that it's at is really low. I think you're really going to like it, this light. And I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted when I upload new videos. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions.